Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a My Deer Farm modded version for iOS and Android, which gives you unlimited resources. So as you can see, I got it, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It works on iPhone too, but I'm not really an iPhone user, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing we're going to do, guys, is get on our browser and go over to this website, which is called hexmods.com. So once you're on the site, guys, just go and find it. So let's see, where is it? Okay, there it is, My Deer Farm. If you can't find it, you can obviously go to the search bar. So just go ahead and press on it, and as you can see, it says free gems and coins. Sweet. So basically, all we have to do is press the download button, and it will start downloading the modded version onto your device, guys. So be sure to try it out. And I've also got it over on the iPhone. I will show you guys how to do it. It's the same deal. You just got to go to HexMods, and once you're there, just go to the search bar and type in like farm or something, and as you can see, it says My Deer Farm. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel if you guys are interested in getting it, because it is so cool, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I come at you with epic tutorials for the awesome My Deer Farm modded version for iOS and Android. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys are interested in having more money in this game, because if we go onto the App Store and type in My Deer Farm, you can see that it is really expensive. So I have the game right here, and as you can see, it goes all the way up to $9.99 for the in-app purchases.